DoorDash schedule hacks, maximizing your earnings. In this video, we'll dive into the world of DoorDash scheduling hacks to help you optimize your earnings and make the most out of your time on the platform. Join us as we uncover valuable tips and tricks that savvy DoorDash drivers have been utilizing to maximize their schedules and increase their income. Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and strategies for gig economy enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on DoorDash and its scheduling system. If you've ever wondered how to make the most of your DoorDash schedule, this video is for you. Before we dive into the schedule hacks, let's emphasize the vital role that strategic scheduling plays in maximizing your order volume and profitability as a DoorDash driver. A well-planned schedule can help you secure more orders, increase your earnings, and gain a competitive edge in the DoorDash marketplace. Schedule hack 1: leverage peak pay hours. One of the most effective schedule hacks for maximizing your earnings is to leverage peak pay hours. During these periods, DoorDash increases the base pay for deliveries, making it an opportune time to secure high-earning orders. Here's how to make the most of peak pay hours. Understand the concept of peak pay. Peak pay refers to the periods when DoorDash experiences high demand and increases the base pay for deliveries. This creates a lucrative opportunity for drivers to earn more per delivery. Identify peak pay times in your area. Utilize DoorDash's app to identify the specific times when peak pay is available in your area. These tools provide insights into high-demand periods, allowing you to strategically plan your shifts. Plan your shift strategically. Once you've identified the peak pay hours, schedule your shifts to coincide with these periods. By being active during peak pay times, you'll have a higher chance of receiving high-paying orders, ultimately maximizing your earnings per delivery. Remember, staying up to date with the DoorDash app and being aware of any changes or updates to peak pay hours is crucial. This will ensure that you're always in sync with the most profitable times to dash. Schedule hack 2: utilize early access and dash now. In this section, we'll explore 2 powerful schedule hacks that can give you an edge in maximizing your earnings on DoorDash: early access and dash now. Uncover the benefits of early access scheduling. Early access scheduling allows top-rated drivers to pick up shifts before they become available to others. By having priority access to the scheduling system, you can secure desirable time slots and maximize your earning potential. Achieving early access status. To achieve early access status, it's crucial to maintain a high completion rate and customer satisfaction. Be sure to consistently provide excellent service, complete your deliveries on time, and earn positive feedback from customers. By delivering exceptional experiences, you increase your chances of gaining early access privileges. The flexibility of Dash Now. Dash Now is a feature that enables drivers to start working immediately without prior scheduling. This flexibility comes in handy when you have gaps in your schedule or unexpected availability. By utilizing Dash Now, you can take advantage of opportunities to earn on the go, providing you with greater control over your earning potential. By combining both early access scheduling and Dash Now, you can have a more flexible and lucrative experience on the DoorDash platform. Plan your shifts strategically during peak times using early access, and fill in any gaps with Dash Now to make the most of your time on the road. Remember, these features may vary based on location and availability. Now, learn how experienced drivers have discovered methods to ensure they don't lose their entire day of dashing if they encounter any issues or get unexpectedly logged out of the app. Proven scheduling hacks and tips. Now, unleash your potential with these tried and true scheduling hacks. Crack the heat map code, gain insights into how the Doordash heat map works, and learn how to strategically position yourself in high demand areas to increase your chances of receiving more orders. Multi-apping mastery. Discover techniques for running multiple delivery apps simultaneously without risking pausing or losing your scheduled shift. Dashing in between. Learn how to strategically schedule back-to-back dashes to optimize your earning potential without being blocked for the entire day. Staying flexible. Explore the art of adjusting your schedule on the fly to adapt to changing circumstances, ensuring you maximize your time and earnings. Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable scheduling hacks to supercharge your Doordash experience. Implement these strategies to enhance your earnings and enjoy greater flexibility in managing your schedule. Remember, the gig economy is dynamic, so stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks by subscribing to our channel. Share your experiences and insights in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Unlock your full Doordash potential with our scheduling hacks and take control of your earning opportunities today. Disclaimer: please note that scheduling practices and policies may vary based on location and updates from the Doordash platform. Always adhere to the guidelines provided by Doordash and ensure you are in compliance with their terms and conditions.